Can you optimize Switch controller settings for competitive play? Imagine stepping into a high-stakes gaming environment where every millisecond counts and precision can determine victory or defeat. The question arises whether adjusting controller settings on the Nintendo Switch can give players an edge in competitive scenarios. The Nintendo Switch controller, specifically the Nintendo Switch Pro controller and the Joy-Con controllers, offer a range of customizable options that can be tailored to individual preferences. These settings include sensitivity adjustments for the analog sticks, button remapping, and vibration intensity. While the console itself does not provide extensive in-game controller customization options, many popular competitive games on the Switch do. For example, titles like Super Smash Bros. Ultimate or Splatoon to allow players to modify control schemes within the game menus. Adjusting analog stick sensitivity is a common way to optimize performance. Increasing sensitivity can make aiming or turning faster, which is advantageous in fast-paced games. Conversely, reducing sensitivity can provide more precise control for players who prefer fine-tuned movements. It is important to experiment with these settings to find a balance that suits individual playstyles. Button remapping is another feature that can enhance competitive play. For example, assigning jump or reload functions to more accessible buttons can streamline actions and improve reaction times. Some games support remapping directly within their settings, while others may requiring external controllers or software. Vibration settings, although less impactful on gameplay performance, can be adjusted or turned off to prevent distractions. Disabling vibration can help maintain focus during intense moments. Beyond in-game settings, players can also consider hardware modifications, such as using controllers with adjustable trigger sensitivity or adding grip enhancements for better handling. These modifications can contribute to more consistent input and comfort during extended gaming sessions. In summary, while the Nintendo Switch itself offers limited customization options, optimizing controller settings within individual games can significantly improve competitive performance. Adjusting analog stick sensitivity, remapping buttons, and managing vibration settings are practical steps players can take. Combining these adjustments with good gameplay strategies can help maximize the potential of the controller and elevate competitive play.